Hey, what is up, guys? So, today I'm going to be reviewing these AirPod clones, also known as Smart Mini F11s. Now, as you see on the box, we have the Apple logo and we have the AirPod symbol, but on the front, we have the Smart Mini F11 tag on the front. So, that's our first giveaway, that this is a fake. Now, let's jump into the box. Jumping into the box, we see that we get the instruction manual, and as usual, the first page is in Chinese and the next page is in English. Not to our surprise, but we're not even going to look at this. So let's keep it aside. Jumping into the actual box, we can see the actual AirPod
Yeah,
clones case. Now looking around this case, we can see that this is almost a one-to-one copy of the real deal. At the bottom, you can see that it may look like a lightning connector, but actually it is a micro USB cable. So don't be fooled. Jumping into the box, we can see that they have provided us with a micro USB cable, a rather small one, and no charging brick, but that's fine. Keeping this aside, as you can see on the back side, we have a button. When we click this, it turns on a blue light which indicates that it's ready to pair to your phone. Even if you open this front flap like this, you're also ready to pair this phone, so you have two ways. Now this flap over here is very clicky and it's very comfortable to feel and it's very satisfying. Okay, jumping further in, we can see the actual AirPod clones that we are going to use. Looking at it, it's almost a one-to-one pair of the real deal and it looks really good. At the bottom we have our usual charging coils, and even in the case we have our charging coils at the bottom which we use to charge it up. So there's a battery in this case as well as there's a battery in these AirPods itself. So if you keep your pods in the case, it will charge up if the case is charged. These pods are very light to in the hand as well, and they won't cause any discomfort to your ears, which is a good thing. Now I'm going to demonstrate by wearing these things and showing you how they might look. They have an LED light at the side, as you can see. Now these AirPods clones are rather comfortable to wear, and as you can see, I'm shaking my hair around and they do not fall off, which is a good sign. So I say this is a thumbs up. Also, they have like a touch feature on both of them, which you can use to play pause or click next track respectively. So my final impressions is that these AirPod clones are really good to buy. If you're short on cash, you can go for this. I will do a sound test review soon and tell you how it is. For now, thank you so much for watching.